Alright guys, I'm back here with the little hand for the robot, and as you can see here, I've fully assembled it. And there's a few things that you need to know about this, and one of those is that they come, this part here comes with a bunch of nuts that are not tight enough, so you're going to have to tighten them. And I had to put 4 screws, 2 here and 2 here, to connect the servo onto this thing. You're going to need another 2 screws here, and that little black screw that we saw in the previous video. And we're talking about the shorter screws, not the longer screws that come with assembly kit. Alright, so I already talked about you guys gonna need this wrench here, but I didn't realize that you'd also need one of these. And the reason why you need these is to hold this nut in place so that you can screw this bit here. And unfortunately it's a different size than this wrench, so to be honest, the company should be giving you both of these, but I had them because I work on other projects, so I don't even know where you could buy those things, but hopefully one of the hardware stores will have it. Anyway, let's get on with this little thing here. Make sure that it's all aligned, and then we can move forward with it. Alright, so I will place this like so. We will grab the smaller screws. The bigger screws will be too long to do this part of the process. So I'm going with these. And what I like to do usually is put one screw on this side. Don't tighten it all the way down. And then put another screw on the other side. There, and as you can see, a lot of these things are really tiny. It's hard to get your hands in. Alright, so now that we've done this, I will show you how I did the rest in the next video, because this video is getting too long already. But yeah, see you in the next one.